Hey guys, it's Bri. I'm back with another video. This design was super popular on my TikTok and a lot of you guys wanted a video, so here we are. I'm gonna start off with all the things you'll need to do this set. The first thing is clear acrylic. You'll need gold foil. I got mine off of Amazon and I will leave the link down below. Next, you'll need gold decals of your choice. These are also off of Amazon. I'm not sure if like some of them came together or if I ordered them separately. I really don't remember, but if I do find some that are similar, I will leave the link in my description box. The next thing is glitter. You can really use any kind of glitter that you want. It can be loose. This one is already mixed in acrylic and I will leave her Instagram down below. The last thing you'll need is permanent markers, and you can honestly use any colors that you want. The tips I have on in this video are the same nail tips that I used for the original video that I posted to TikTok. I honestly don't recommend these tips. They're kind of hard to file to me and they're super thick. And I also don't have them applied correctly. You would never apply a nail tip this far down onto anyone's nail bed. This is just my hand though, and I'm just doing this for show, so I'm taking these off right after. The first thing you want to do is grab one dapping dish for each color that you choose and pour out a tiny bit of monomer into each one. The next thing you want to do is take the die pads out of the markers. So you really just kind of grab the top of it and you just bend it back and forth until the top of it kind of pops out, and then you can literally just pull the die pack right out. It has a plastic coating around it so you can squeeze it without it getting on your hands. I would always recommend though to make sure that you maybe not use like an old permanent marker, just because this one was kind of old and it was a little bit dried out. So I had to squeeze it so hard that I ended up getting it all over my hands, and normally that doesn't happen. So I would recommend to use a new marker. So right here, I'm showing you again how I open the marker, and you'll be able to see this time that I don't get anything on my hands. This one was, it wasn't a brand new marker, but it wasn't as old and dried out as the pink one. So I didn't have to squeeze as hard to get the dye out. And then I'm also going to show you how you literally just pop it back in the top and close the marker up and you can use it again. So now I'm going into my little wheels that I got from Amazon, and I'm taking out all of the different pieces that I wanted to use. And then I'm also going to take my gold foil and I'm going to use those black tweezers and just kind of break the foil up so that I can kind of just grab and go and I don't have to keep stopping. So now I'm going to start to lay a base of the colors down. You can do this in any order that you want. And before the base completely dries, you want to get your decals and kind of press your decals into the acrylic. One tip that I wanted to share with you guys is when you're mixing your monomer and your dye, to use a little bit of dye at a time and use test beads to kind of gauge how light or how dark the monomer has gotten. The orange for me that I used was a little bit dark and I didn't like that, but it came out cute in the end. Now I'm getting those decals and placing those where I want and using my tweezers to press those into the acrylic. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some gold foil and some glitter and fill in the rest of the empty spots. The last step is to encapsulate the nails. So you would use those same monomers that you mixed up, and you would just lay those colors down in any order. You can use all of the colors, or you can choose to use one of the colors, whatever you want to do, and you just encapsulate all the nails. Wow, y'all, I did not realize that I did not put glitter on my thumb. That was not on purpose, that was an accident. And the last step after you have filed and buffed the nails is to just go in with your choice of shiny top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe and leave me some feedback. And I'll see you guys in the next one.